Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again. So today's video is all about how to clean your longboard wheels, urethane wheels, or street wheels, whatever you want to name it. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is take the longboard so we can take the wheels off to clean these dirty. So let's speed things up so we can do this right now. And what I personally like to do is take an old cloth and WD-40. Use those two to get the axles of the trucks really nice and clean again. It's good at removing any debris. And a fun fact, WD-40 is actually really good at removing external rust from metals. So it's a win-win in this situation. It'll remove any existing rust and it also provides a small protection layer. Make sure not to apply it in abundance and use the old cloth to clean everything up afterwards. Okay, so guys, now I'm good to go to start cleaning those wheels. Make sure to take out all the bearings, the spacers. So yeah. Let's do this. But first, let me clean this table so we can start cleaning those wheels. Okay, so the next thing is the things that we're gonna need. So first of all, we need a brush to rub off the excessive dirt. Next thing we need is a sponge to really clean the surface of the wheel. Next, actually some soap to clean those wheels. What I also like to use afterwards, before I cleanse them, is some sieve. And of course, a bucket or a container to put some hot water in. And last but not least, at least for me, some gloves. Yeah guys, sorry, but I got some delicate hands, you know? Okay, now we can start with the actual cleaning. What I like to do first off is take the dirty wheels, hold them under running water. Then I use the brush to rub off any excessive dirt. After that, I put in some hot water in the bucket, mix it with a good amount of detergent. Take the wheels, put them in the bucket, let them soak in the water for about 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
And after that, you can start using the brush and the sponge to scrub off the remaining dirt. When they're clean enough, then I like to use as a last step the sieve and the sponge to really get the last dirt off. When that's done, you can hold them under running water to really clean them up and remove any rest of the dirty water and the detergent. After that, use a towel, a cloth, something dry to dry them up, and then you're actually done. And that's about it. Then you can start the whole process that we started with, but in reverse, putting those wheels back on your board and they look as brand as new. That should wrap it up. I finished one of them bad boys. Doesn't it look as good as new? Just because of them wheels. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, make sure to like, subscribe, even share maybe. Because if this channel starts to work out, then I'll probably be upgrading my camera so I can bring out better video and photo footage. So we'll see how this goes. Thanks again for watching, and guys, stay safe. See you guys later.